Hi and welcome Autocad beginners. Today I'm going to draw the extruder cover in Autocad 2D. Dimensions here are in millimeters. Now in Autocad you want to select the correct template, so you want to start off by new and then click on browse templates, and you want to pick this template for millimeters, so it's acad iso.dwt file. So the file type here is a drawing template file with the file extension dwt, and right away I'm going to save it as extruder cover, and the file type is now dwg, which is what I want. So I'm going to click save and I'm going to set the limits. So the limits here, they are on, and the lower left corner is 0, 0, so click enter. And for the upper right corner I'm going to go ahead and specify 200, 200, enter. And now here's the ribbons. On the home tab on the draw panel I'm going to select circle, so escape circle, and you want to pick circle center diameter, and right here somewhere in the middle of my drawing area I'm going to specify my center point for the circle, and I'm going to enter a value of 32 millimeters for the diameter. Let's zoom in, and the next thing is you want to make sure that your the object snap is on. You want to make sure that the endpoint, center, quadrant, intersection, all of these are checked. And I'm going to click outside here, and I'm going to draw another circle. So you have these three circles, 32 millimeters, the inside one being 24, and the one on the inside, the innermost, being 10 millimeters in diameter. So we move with that. We want circle, center, diameter using the same center as before. You want to input 24 millimeters for the diameter, same thing, center, diameter. You want 10 for the innermost circle. And now I'm going to go to the line tool. Before that I'm going to make sure that I restrict my cursor so that I draw only horizontal and vertical lines. So you want to click on this, and ortho is on. So you want to start off with the line, and now I'm going to use the direct distance entry method, wherein I start the line. The starting point of the line is at the center of the circle, and then I will move in the direction that I wish to go, and I'll input 40 millimeters. I'm still in the line command. You can read the command area. It says specify next point for the line. So I'm going to the left direction, and I'm going to enter 10 millimeters, and I'm going to hit enter, and you can see that we are 40 millimeters below the center and 10 millimeters towards the left. And now we're going to draw another circle. This time we're going to go with center diameter. Choose the end point here. All of this time your object snap stays on, and the diameter is 18 millimeters. And I'm going to draw another circle, same center, and I'm going with 25 millimeters. I can erase these construction lines, and now I'm going to draw another circle. So this time you want to pick circle, tangent, radius. So it's going to, if you read the command area, it says specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So I'm going to pick this circle, Then it says specify point on object for second tangent of circle. I'm going to pick this, and then it says to specify radius, so I'm going with 30. Now we will move to the next circle. Again, circle, tangent, tangent, radius, and you want to specify point on object for first tangent, specify point on object for second tangent, radius, specify radius 30, enter, and now I'm going to simply come here and trim the objects that I do not need. So you want to click on this portion of this circle, click on this portion, and now let's go to annotate, and I'm going to give the center mark. So you want to pick the center mark, and you want to select the circle, the outermost circle. You want to select this circle. You can hit escape to exit, and now I'm going back to my home tab, and I'm going to create another layer for my dimensions. So you want to click on layer properties, click on the layer 0, click on right click and pick new layer, and then let's give the new layer a name. So I'm going to call it dimensions, and I'm going to change the layer to say magenta and click OK. I'm going to close out of my layer properties manager. I'm going to come back here on the layers panel. I'm going to click on this drop down and pick dimensions, and now I'm going to start dimensioning. So let's go to the annotate tab. Now right now the style that I have for the dimensions is currently ISO 25. You can play around and use other dimension styles. For now I'm going to hit escape and stay with ISO 25 for this drawing, and I'm going to click on linear and pick that, and then I'm going to pick this center and pick this center, and that gives me this dimension of 40 millimeters. Now I just want to make it look a little neater, so I'm going to go and click that just so everything is nice and clean, and you can do that again. So pick linear, and you want to pick this point and this point, and that's your 10 millimeters. Again, if you want, you can just do that. Just clean up the drawing a little, and now let's go ahead and use this radius and radius 30, and then pick that radius, and then you want to go with the diameter, and you can complete the rest of the dimensions, and that completes the extruder cover. Thank you for watching.